Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to create QR code for your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First click on Telegram app icon. Tap on group which you want to create QR code. Let's try this one. After that, click on this icon. Press on this pen. Tap on group type. Click on three dots which shown on middle of screen. Tap on get QR code. Now you already created QR code. Everyone on Telegram can scan this code to join your group. You can share your QR code by press here. Go back. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to create QR code for your Telegram group. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.